Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. If you want to see what happens when someone else styles me, then just keep watching. My name is Theresa. I'm so glad that you're here. Now let's look at these pieces together. If this is your first time here, welcome, and I'm so glad that you decided to join us. If you are a returning viewer, you may be scratching your head and wondering why I would bother with a styling service at all. If you've been watching my videos, you know two things about me. I love a bargain and I love to style clothes, right? So why would I bother with a styling service at all? Here's why. Just like everyone else, I can get into a style rut where I gravitate toward the same handful of colors and I gravitate toward the same cuts in clothing, and having a stylist pick pieces out for me is so interesting. I love to see what someone else would choose, and it may be something that I would have never picked up myself, and when I see it on, or when you see it and comment on it, it makes me look at it twice. Although the pieces in a styling service do cost more because you are paying for the service and the convenience, you have a stylist that's working with your requests, the pieces are being shipped to you for free, return shipping is free, you can exchange if you want, and I'll put all that information in the description box below. If you've been on the fence about trying Stitch Fix, I will also include my referral link. No pressure whatsoever, but if you've been thinking about trying it and want to try the service for free, the referral link will actually waive your first styling fee and give you a $25 credit toward the purchase of one of the pieces in the box. So if you've always been curious, and several of you have used my link, and I cannot thank you enough, I actually will receive a small credit and it helps me to do additional videos like this, and I really appreciate you using my link. But the main reason that I use a styling service is to get some inspiration from another viewpoint. That's why I like styling services. So this is what the bundle looks like, and I see an awful lot of denim. I was hoping for more in the way of tops, but let's not prejudge. Let's see what's in here. So the first piece that I'm going to show you is the piece of jewelry, because you know I have a fixation with jewelry, and it does come in a cute little Stitch Fix box. And it's a cuff bracelet, and you know how I feel about bracelets. This is a pretty rose gold color, and it's the brand Bancroft, which is interestingly the same brand of the bracelet that I talked about ad infinitum in my Walmart versus Target haul. And I have another video coming up related to that, but I digress. I want to bring this in closer and show it to you. So admittedly, this is a very pretty bracelet. It is a hammered rose gold tone cuff. Here's how it looks from the side. It is by the brand Bancroft. I probably should not have put this bracelet on because that's usually when I get attached to something. This is very pretty. It is lightweight. It has a pretty sparkle. Okay, I need you guys to be my voice of reason. Tell me honestly, is this bracelet worth $28? I think it's beautiful. I really do. It's very comfortable. It fits well. You know, I bought the last one, but then I sort of regretted it. So let me know what you think about this bracelet, be honest. First piece of clothing in the box is this top by Mason and Belle, and this definitely speaks to my inner hippie chick. I am going to run clips of the try-ons right as we're talking. This definitely has a polyester feel to it. I do love the burgundy color, and I love the embroidery detail, and I will bring this in just a second to show you. It does have, it looks like 3/4 length sleeves with elastic at the cuffs. It does have that tie that I'm never quite sure what to do with. I do notice that this top is very sheer. I don't know that I could wear this without a camisole underneath. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I get frequent hot flashes, so I can't have on 3 layers of clothes. And I can literally see through this as I'm holding it up. I am going to bring this in closer to show you some detail. I do like the off-white embroidery, and how nice will this look with that Walmart ivory sweater that I go on and on about, right? The pattern is a burgundy with some gold and some ivory and a little bit of light pink. I think it's a pretty pattern overall. We'll be curious to see how this looks on. And whatever this next piece is, it is Baby Blanket Soft. And this is by the brand Fortune and Ivy. I do see some crisscross detail that I like. Oh, and I thought it was a top, but apparently it's a dress. We'll see about this. Let me bring this in so I can show you the pattern a little bit closer. This is a muted kind of variegated blue, and I see some ivory and sage green and a little bit of a rusty pink, and then it has this crisscross detail. I'm going to have to be a little bit imaginative to style this. The fabric definitely feels like a fall or winter weight, but the fact that it's strappy and sleeveless makes me think spring, summer, so I don't know. And it looks like the next two pieces are jeans, and I would have preferred to get more tops than jeans. I'm kind of set on jeans right now, but that's probably my fault. I should have told my stylist that. But the first pair is by the brand Liverpool, so I know they're expensive. These are a size 6, 28. These are a classic 5-pocket style. They have a lot of stretch. They have just a little bit of whiskering, but no distressing to speak of. Although I don't need any jeans. If they fit me perfectly and you think they look fabulous, I might consider them. Right now I have an awful lot of jeans, and you know where I got most of them. So let's see these on. And the final piece are another pair of jeans, and these are a much lighter wash, but they have some pretty intense distressing. Now, if you've been watching my videos, you know that I don't have a complete aversion to distressing. This looks like a little bit more distressing than I personally prefer, but I'm not going to prejudge them. We'll see how they look on. Well, as usual, the try-on was a lot of fun, but now we need to look at the pricing, and I almost don't want to look. Inevitably, I get attached to a piece and then I find out the price, and then I spend the next 15 minutes trying to talk myself into or out of something. So please be sure and comment which pieces you think I should keep and which ones I should pass on. Sometimes I need you to be the voice of reason. So let's see how much this costs. This is my 11th fix, and my stylist is Elizabeth. And Elizabeth, if you ever happen to see this video, thank you for all the time and effort that you put into choosing these pieces for me. It's a lot of fun on my end. So we'll go through the pricing. The Studio Blue Jude Distressed Skinny Jean in Indigo size 6 are $64. And that is actually less than most of the Stitch Fix jeans, so I'm happy to hear that. The Fortune and Ivy Laguna Back Detail Knit Top in blue size small is $44. The Mason and Belle Bobbie Embroidered Tie Detailed Top in Burgundy size small is $44. The Berry Jewelry Lauran Hammered Cuff Rose Gold is $28. The Liverpool Kaylee Skinny Jean in Indigo size 6 is $78. The Stylist Pick subtotal comes to $258. And if I were to buy all 5 pieces, I would get that 25% off discount, which would take $64.50 off. That would make my order subtotal $193.20. I do get credited my $20 styling fee, so that would take another $20 off. There is a credit for $5 that was a special promotion they were running. The shipping, of course, is free, so all 5 pieces, if I were to get all 5, would be $168.50. Thanks so much for taking time out of your busy day to spend with me. I truly appreciate it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also consider hitting that subscribe and notification bell. That way you'll see my future videos. Until next time, bye guys.